also very fast. But totally confused. Why? Because he didn't know what to do until someone gave him instructions. And guess what? That someone is you. Just like Zippy, every computer, robot, or game needs a help from a coder. Someone who uses instructions using blocks, pictures, and logic. That's called coding. In our summer adventure, you get to be the coder.
We won't be going for a picnic this summer.
But rather, we'll learn to make characters talk, jump, dance, play music, and even make our own game. So get ready to code with Scratch Junior. Let's dive in. So, what is coding really? Coding is like a magic language that tells computer what to do. For scratch coding, we use colorful blocks like puzzle pieces. Put the blocks together and boom, you have a moving story, a talking cat, or a bouncing ball. And the best part, in Scratch Junior, coding is as easy as drag and drop.
You don't need to be a grown-up.
You just need curiosity, creativity, and a tablet. Coding helps you think smart, solve problems, and bring your imagination to life. So why should you learn coding? Because when you code, you become a creator, not just a watcher. Instead of just playing games, you build your own. You learn how to solve puzzles, think like an inventor, and even tell stories your way. Coding also improves focus, math skills, and confidence. It's like brain training wrapped in fun. So let the coding journey begin. Week 1. In week 1, we kick things off with a fun introduction to coding. Kids will learn what coding is all about, how it's used in games, cartoons, and apps we use every day. Then we'll open the Scratch Junior app and start exploring. Your child will choose characters, pick fun backgrounds, and discover the magic of coding blocks. And the best part? By the end of this week, they'll create their very first mini animation using Scratch Junior. It's simple, exciting, and a huge confidence booster. Perfect for curious minds who are ready to create. And week 2. Now that we know how to use Scratch Junior, week 2 is all about creating. We'll start by designing fun scenes like jungles, castles, or even outdoor space. Kids will place characters in their scenes and learn how to move them around. Then we introduce one of our favorite coding superpowers, loops. That means your child can make a robot spin, a frog hop, or a spaceship fly again and again. We'll also record voices and add messages to characters, making every story more interactive and hilarious. Week 3. In week 3, things get even more exciting. Kids will learn how to make their characters think using conditionals. If this, then that. Those fun little rules like if the door opens, then the dog barks. It's how we bring logic into our stories. We'll also introduce variables perfect for creating score counters or changing character names. Plus, kids will use their own voice recordings to give life to their characters. This week is where they really start thinking like real coders, solving problems, making decisions, and being creative. Week 4. And now it's the grand finale. Week 4 is where we bring everything together. First, we learn about functions, a clever way to reuse blocks and make our code cleaner.
Hey.
Then we revise everything we've learned so far and start building our final project. And this brings us to the end of this exciting introduction to our Scratch Junior summer course. We hope you just are as excited as we are because this summer is going to be packed with learning, creativity, and non-stop fun. Whether you're new to coding or already curious about how games and stories are made, our summer Zoom classes are the perfect place to begin your journey. Your kids will learn how to think creatively, solve problems, and build their own digital stories, all through play. Classes are starting from July 7th, so mark your calendars, get your tablets ready, and prepare for a super cool ride into the world of coding. This course is designed for kids age 5 to 9, and trust us, they're going to love it. From creating animated characters to making them talk, jump, and dance, it's a magical experience they will remember. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss a single update. Hit the bell icon. We are going to share more videos, behind the scenes clips, and helpful coding tips. Like this video if you learned something new or had fun watching. Share it with friends, cousins, neighbors, anyone with little ones who would enjoy a fun-loving adventure this summer. And hey, there's more coming. We'll be dropping mini tutorials, coding games, and fun challenges every week leading up to July 7th. So stay tuned. Keep watching this space. Leave your questions or feedback in the comments. Email us if you'd like a private session or a group booking. You can also find our Jungle Learning series of 5 books, Summer Activity Book for Kids, Phonics worksheets, worksheets for treasure hunt, and much more only on Gumroad. So don't forget to check out the description box below. And hey, don't forget to visit MAK Colors. It's our online store packed with colorful clothes, fun accessories, cool stuff your kids will love.
Adorable t-shirts, stylish hoodies, and cozy baby one-pieces. Welcome to MAK Colors, where creativity meets color. MAK Colors is a vibrant shop filled with personality and playful charm, offering a colorful collection of customizable products for kids, teens, and the young at heart. From beautiful decorative cushions to fun and functional kids stationery, we've got you covered. Whether you're on the hunt for a superhero wall clock to brighten your son's bedroom, a cool drawstring bag, festive Easter shower curtains, or a quirky baseball cap for your geeky friend, there's something unique for everyone and every occasion. MAK Colors, where imagination comes to life in every product. Visit our store now on Redbubble and discover your next favorite find.
Hey kids! Are you ready for the most exciting summer ever? Introducing the Summer Fun Activity Book packed with games, puzzles, coloring pages, and brain-boosting fun for kids aged 5 to 10. Whether you're at home, traveling, or just chilling in the backyard, this book is perfect buddy for a screen-free summer. Learn, play, and explore with activities that boost creativity, sharpen thinking, and keep boredom away. Parents love it. Kids can't get enough of it. So grab your copy of the Summer Fun Activity Book today and make this vacation the best one yet.